In this video, I'll show you how to create an email template in HubSpot so you can save time and keep your emails consistent across campaigns. Email templates are useful for reusing layouts like newsletters, promotions, or announcements without starting from scratch each time. To begin, sign in to your HubSpot account and go to the left menu, then click Marketing and select Email to open the email tool. Next, click Create Email at the top right and choose Regular to access the drag and drop editor. When the template options appear, select Create New Template and give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. Now you can start designing your layout by adding sections like header, body, and footer, and inserting elements such as text, images, and buttons. Keep your design clean and make sure it aligns with your brand colors and messaging. Once your layout is ready, go to File and choose Save Email as Template. This will store your design, so you can reuse it in future emails by simply updating the content. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.